What's up everybody, and welcome to the last video from Disneyland Paris 2024, and it's going to be a great day, so please stay tuned. We've got lots to do and lots to see, so join me on another Disney adventure.
Mesdames et messieurs, on garde bien la tête et les bras à l'intérieur du train. Ladies and gentlemen, your head and your arms inside the train, thank you. Et on reste assis, remain seated, please.
Oh my god, look at that phone.
Voici Frontierland.
See that ancient temple in the distance? That means we've been here.
Arrivés à Fantasyland Station.
We're staying on this train. We don't know where it is. We're supposed to get off. I'm saying that part of the place is closed.
Bonjour et bienvenue aux nouveaux passagers. Pendant le trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder bras et mains à l'intérieur. Et s'il vous plaît, veuillez ne pas fumer. Merci. For your safety, please stay seated while preparing to sleep, keeping your hands and arms inside the train. And no smoking. Ne manquez pas une vue panoramique de Disney. This is Discovery, where dreams of the future are as limited. Bienvenue à nos nouveaux passagers. Pendant le trajet,
According to my scan, you have a colorful personality. Well, everything is moving smoothly, and that's the way I like it. Oui, oui, monsieur. Regardez-vous, vous avez l'air assez fort pour tirer les oreilles d'un gueule d'arc. Mais, façon de parler, car toutes les créatures, y compris les gueules d'arc, prendraient très mal que vous tiriez les oreilles. Vous avez l'air perdu. Keep it moving and no funny business. If there's one kind of business I don't like, it's the funny kind. Bien. Mais attendez, rangez-moi cette nourriture. Oh, ce n'est pas de la nourriture. Rangez-moi votre sabre laser. Oh, c'est un churro. Bon. Dans ce cas, rangez-moi ce churro. Churro. C'est un de ces drôles de mots qui vous fait rire rien qu'en le disant. Mais, qu'est-ce que vous regardez? Ouvrons. That's it. Smith. There you go. If you were in the Coruscant system, stop at Dexter's Diner. I get a case of oil. Mention it. If you eat there, you might get a case of something.
No, I did actually get one. You can just about see it peeking over the horizon if you look.
Greetings, I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
Hey, salut les crows! Admirez le plus gros écrou d'œuf du monde! Katia!
Studios, and all of a sudden, Lightning McQueen just rolling by.
What were all those crazy things built along Route 51?
Merci de rester assis, s'il vous plaît. Remain seated, please.
Hey, it's the Copper Canyon traffic maze.
We're in the train. Please remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside the tram. Thanks.
Whoa. This canyon is so beautiful and calm.
Seulement en apparence.
There goes dinner.
Bonjour tout le monde! J'ai le plaisir de vous présenter ma dernière création, la tour.
Seeing the Eiffel Tower was totally worth the drive, man. So.
I'm a first class ranger now.
What do you want, a medal?
Yeah.
Electrical sky,